everybody. We are doing Japanese fried chicken. I got this from one of my YouTubes or TikTok a friend, and he was Japanese, and he did some fried chicken, and we having sweet peas, and we having yams and homemade bread. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share, and put on your notification button. That way you won't miss any videos. And you can get the recipe, or well, you can see the videos and the recipes if I choose to post. Sorry about that, guys. I'm just kind of excited. And you can try this Japanese fried chicken and let me know how it tastes. And don't those yams look good? They look excellent. Good to the heart, mind, and the soul. God is love. Have a good day.